Hello everyone, this is your imperfect Paharan, and today I'm going to talk to the pet parents, farmers, fellow feeders, and animal lovers. Not as the imperfect Paharan, but as Dr. Parul Rana, your very own friendly veterinarian and animal nutritionist. Through this channel, I aim at simplifying animal nutrition feeding, decoding nutrition science, and helping you raise healthier and happier animals, one smart choice at a time. So, welcome to Pet Nutrition 101, Episode 1. So, the episode is about packaged food or home cooked meal. What's best for your pet? Let's clear up one of the most common questions most of the pet parents ask me. Do pets really need commercial pet food or can they thrive on home cooked meals? Let's begin with part 1 and understand what is commercial pet food. Commercial pet foods like kibble and canned meals are designed as according to the pet's nutritional requirements. So they are balanced, convenient, easy to feed, easy to store. But here's the thing, not all the brands are equal. Some do offer high quality nutrition, but some are mostly marketing gimmicks. To summarize, we can say that the commercial pet foods are convenient, have higher shelf life, great for people with busy lifestyles, nutritionally formulated, and certified by FSSAI and FedIF. With the advent of awareness of importance of nutrition, like in case of human nutrition, we check all the food products labeling. Same has to be done in case of animal products. Here's how you can tell if it's good food or just junk in a fancy bag. Part 2. How to read a commercial pet food label. Whenever you buy packaged food for your pet, ensure to look at the label. Look for name protein sources instead of just meat byproducts or animal derivatives. Packaged foods containing fillers, artificial preservatives, and low-grade proteins have a direct impact on your pet's digestion and overall health. Part 3. Home cooked food. Home cooked meals. Yes, they feel fresh, they're full of love, and you have a direct control over the ingredients. But here's the catch. Like us, pets also need nutritionally balanced diet that has exact amount of protein, fat, vitamins, minerals like calcium, etc. So just feeding rice and chicken and rice every day in the long term may lead to lack of calcium, vitamin D, zinc, and taurine, especially in the cats, which may lead to bone issues or organ stress. So if you ask me as a pet parent, what do I choose? What's better? Just tell me an answer. So there's not one right answer. If you choose the packaged products, then I would suggest choose a high quality product or just read the labels. Don't go for vague meat derivatives or fillers. But on the other hand, if you choose to cook at home, then maybe prepare a balanced meal. Don't just give them whatever you're cooking for yourself. Maybe consult a veterinarian or a nutritionist to get a recipe as according to your pet's needs. Because they'll calculate it according to the body weight, they'll customize the plan as per your pet. There are even pet specific supplements that you can add to your home cooked meals to balance the whole diet. So, both options can work if done right. The goal isn't stove versus store. The ultimate aim is nutrition over convenience. Your pet can thrive. Either you scoop or cook. It just needs to be smart.